how to record a Loom video. So first, go to your Loom account and then just click on My Library here at the left side. Next is just click on Record a Loom here. Okay, next here, this will show you these options here. So yeah, as you can see now, this is where your face will show. You can just drag and drop it. And then for this one, you can use any of the options here to choose whether you will use full screen, window, current tab, or camera only. Okay, so as for your camera, you can choose to use no camera, or you can use your camera that you use. And then as for the microphone, you can choose no microphone, or use your microphone that you're using right now. So you can also customize the effects, the blur, and the canvas. And for you to record a video, just click on Start Recording. Here you can choose the entire screen of your PC, windowed, or Chrome tab. So I'll just use my entire screen and then click on it and then just click on Share. Okay, here it will start counting down. And then now you're recording your video. So just to stop the video, just click on Stop here. And now your video will show here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.